Hello everyone, I am here again with my new video which is on early childhood development. So first of all, I'll talk about early childhood development. Early childhood year is the time between 2 to 6 years. At this time, a child started learning about his or herself and about the world as well. Early childhood represents the period when young children reach developmental milestones. So the question is, what is a developmental milestones? A developmental milestone is a skill that a child acquires within a specific time frame. For example, one developmental milestone is learning to walk. Milestones develop in a sequential manner. This means that a child will need to develop some skills before he or she can develop new skills. For example, children must first learn to crawl and to pull up to standing position before they are able to walk. So like this, every child follows a sequence of development. How a child develops. As children grows into early childhood, their world will begin to open up. They will become more independent and begin to focus more on adults and children outside of the family. They will want to explore and ask about the things around them even more. Their interaction with family and those around them will help to shape their personality and their own ways of thinking and moving. During this stage, children should be able to ride tricycle, use safety scissors, notice a difference between girls and boys, help to dress and undress themselves, plays with other children, recall part of story and sing a song. There are basically four main areas of development, that is physical development, cognitive development, socio-emotional development and language development. First, I will talk about physical development. Physical development refers to the advancement and refinement of motor skills, or in other words, children's ability to use and control their bodies. By motor skills, I mean gross motor and fine motor. Gross motor skills is the ability to use large muscles. For example, a 6-month-old baby learns how to sit up with some support, and a 5-year-old learns to skipping by using large muscles. And fine motor is the ability to use small muscles, specifically their hands and fingers, to pick up small objects, hold a spoon, turn pages in a book, or use a crayon to draw. Between 3 to 5 years, which is a preschool year, a child is growing rapidly and beginning to develop gross and fine motor skills. Physical growth slows and body proportion and motor skills become more refined. Now I will talk about cognitive development. This is the child's ability to learn and solve problems. Jean Piaget proposed a theory of cognitive development. During this stage, children do not yet understand concrete logic and cannot mentally manipulate information and are able to take the point of view of other people. It is the pre-operation stage, which is the second stage after sensory motor stage. During this period, children are thinking at a symbolic level but are not yet using cognitive operations. The child cannot use logic or transform, combine or separate ideas at this level. Now, socio-emotional development in early childhood year. John Bowlby proposed one of the earliest theory of social development. Bowlby believed that early relationship with caregiver plays a major role in child development and continue to influence social relationship throughout life. This is basically the child's ability to interact with others, including helping themselves and self-control. For example, a 6-week-old baby smiling, a 9-month-old baby say bye-bye, or 5-year-old knowing how to take turn in games at school. Now I will talk about language development. Language development is the process by which children come to understand and communicate language during early childhood. For example, a 12-month-old baby saying his first word, or a 2-year-old naming part of his body, or 5-year-old learning to say feet instead of foot. Okay, everyone, that's all for today. I will get back to you with new content. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.